Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about GPS or Global Positioning System. Have you ever wondered how GPS works? How it can locate your exact position on the Earth's surface? Well, we're going to answer all those questions in this video. So, let's dive into it. Questions that we solved today with example. How does GPS work? What is GPS? Let's first know that what is GPS? GPS, as the name suggests, is a global positioning system that uses a network of satellites to determine the location of a receiver on the Earth's surface. The system was developed by the United States Department of Defense and is now widely used for navigation, surveying, and other location-based applications. How does GPS work? Let's start with the basics. GPS is based on the concept of trilateration, which is similar to triangulation. Next, we study about what is trilateration method. The system uses a constellation of at least 24 GPS satellites that orbit the Earth twice a day. These satellites transmit signals that are received by GPS receivers on the Earth's surface. The receivers use the information from the signals to determine the distance between the satellite and the receiver. Now, let's take an example to understand this. Suppose you're standing at a point A, and you want to determine your exact location. The GPS receiver in your phone or any other device will receive signals from at least 4 GPS satellites that are visible to it. The receiver will then calculate the time it takes for the signals to travel from the satellites to the receiver. Based on this time difference, the receiver can determine the distance between each satellite and the receiver. Once the distances are known, the receiver can use trilateration to determine its exact location. Trilateration is a method of determining position by measuring distances to points at known coordinates. To put it simply, the GPS receiver uses the distance information from at least 4 satellites to calculate its own location. The receiver does this by comparing the distances to the known positions of the satellites in space. Conclusion. In conclusion, GPS is a revolutionary technology that has changed the way we navigate and locate ourselves on the Earth's surface. The system uses a network of satellites and a receiver on the Earth's surface to determine the location of the receiver. GPS has many applications in various fields such as navigation, surveying, and emergency services. I hope this video helped you understand how GPS works. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.